Hello, my name is Sergio with Metro Design. In the screencast, I'm going to show you 3 things that you do today to help bring more customers to your business, Thibault Sons and Construction. Now, Joe is the owner of the agency, but I'll be guiding you how we will work together to grow your clientele. Now, the first question with business owners is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. But I found by giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in the local owners still raising their hands and saying, "I like you, can you please do this for me?" So if by the end of the video you like what you heard, you can see I have the skills to help your business grow and land more customers, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try to do it yourself, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I'd like to go over is content. So in order for your business to be optimized with Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. And since you don't have an operational site yet, I'll be going over one of your competitors, LT Construction and Remodeling. And in comparison with your competitor, they have about 435 words filled with keyword-rich content, and this is still very beatable. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse authority for Google. And every month, people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. So as you can see, I'm going to pull them up in this tool called Ahrefs. You can see what their site is actually ranking for. You see that they have 862 backlinks, 63 referring domains, and 87 organic keywords. So when I go deeper into the organic keywords, you can see that these are the keywords that are ranking inside their content. Now you can see the positions are higher than yours, or would be, because you don't have a site yet. But 1 is the highest, 100 is the lowest. Therefore, KD, 0 is lowest, 100 is the highest. And volume is the amount of searches per month this keyword has. And position relies on, or the traffic relies on the position. Therefore, if you're in the first position for this keyword, you get a lot more traffic out of the 60 volume you have searched throughout the web or Google. So now you know a little bit about what goes into a keyword, which is volume, KD, cost per click, traffic, and position. And that you want to be in the first position for each keyword that you're ranking for, and the lowest KD will get you the highest rank on Google easier and faster. The next optimization section is the second most important thing I'd like to talk about. We call this Google Map Pack or Maps. So you see when I do a search for home remodeling in Rutlan, MA, you can see I go down to the Google Map Pack or Maps. You see the business name, its address, and its phone number. So this is called Maps. So now you're probably asking, hey, how do I rank in maps? Well, to answer your question, I go to this little resource I like to use. Inside the resource, there's a local citation finder tool. So I did a search for your competitor, LT Construction and Modeling. You see he has 35 citation sources, but not all of which will be listed down below. Now, the reason that is because some of those are not credible for Google to obtain as a citation. Now, so these citations, aka apps, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. Now you want at least double or triple the amount of citations that your competitor has or any competitor in the local area. Therefore, maybe 70 to 100 or 100 to 200. And that would beat out any competition in your local area. So now you know about what goes into a citation and how it ranks you on Google. The third thing I'd like to go over with you is another important aspect of Google, and we call this thing that gives your site authority, link juice. So I go back to the search for home remodeling in your area. I scroll down, you can see Johnson Build Remodel and LT Construction Remodeling. Now this is where you want to be. And to get there, you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice simply put works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. For example, if you were to have LT Construction Remodeling linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizza for a living. So I'll pull Ahrefs again. And if you're looking to use this tool, I'll pay about $100 a month, and it's great for checking out any link juice that sites may have to offer or any organic keywords that you might want to rank for. So talking about link juice, let's go ahead and look at his backlinks. So here he has about 803 backlinks linking back to his site. And looking down, we can see that these guys have these links. Therefore, we can take every single link they have and go after them for your own site when you're ready to build one. So the three things I went over today was content, citations, and backlinks, link juice. Therefore, your front page, right? You want at least 1,500 words to your homepage to beat out your competition and be optimized with Google. And as to any service page you want to offer, 500 for each of these. Any contact page or about page, at least 250 for each of these. And that'll get you fully optimized with Google and land you in front of your competition. And for your citations, you want at least 100 to 200, maybe even 300 if you need to beat out your competition by a landslide. And for the last thing, link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at guys to show Google you are authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself time, give me a call at 515-468-3039. Once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 515-468-3039. I look forward to hearing from you, and you have a great one.